Did you know there's a 600-year-old book that no one can read? Not even our smartest computers can crack its code. The Voynich manuscript was found in an old Italian monastery in 1912. This mysterious book is filled with weird drawings of plants that don't exist anywhere on Earth. It has strange star charts and naked women in green pools. But here's the creepy part. It's written in a language that nobody recognizes. During World War II, the same codebreakers who cracked enemy secrets tried to decode it. They failed completely. Modern artificial intelligence has tried thousands of times. Still nothing. Some scientists think it's an ancient medical book. Others believe it's just an elaborate fake made to fool people. But the wildest theory, that it might be alien writing. Recent tests prove the book really is from the 1400s. So if it's a hoax, someone made the perfect fake 6 centuries ago. The Voynich manuscript has stumped every expert who's tried to solve it, and today, it remains one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries.